Hey y'all, let's make some fast, easy chicken and dumplings. Use this right here. You don't have to add nothing but milk. Got my chicken cooking. 2 breasts, 2 large breasts there. And then I'm gonna just do some canned green beans. These are so good. They're already seasoned, so this is fast. Now, I had a little box of this, so I'm gonna put a little more in there. This is good to keep at all times. You're just gonna add that should be enough. Probably 2 cups. Okay, got a little bit of buttermilk. Shake it up. Add a little bit. The chicken should be ready to go. So I'll show you the consistency you need it to be. Kind of want it to be like biscuit dough. Get too much milk, add a little more of the mix. Now I do these homemade, and I do these like this. All right, you see? You can pinch these off. You can drop them by spoonfuls in there, or you can roll them out. Whichever, if you've got time to do either. Get these green beans in. And you can put a little bit of lard in there, but it already has some good seasoning stuff. You're good. So I'm fixing to shred up this chicken. It's ready. Okay. Got the flour ready. I am going to roll just a little bit of them out. Probably not going to roll them out. I'm just going to get some flour on them. Flour in your hands. And we're going to get a knife. Okay. I usually put this in the mixture, but I didn't, so. No wrong and right way to do it. Any way you want to do it. It's going to be a lot of dumplings for this. Okay, you see the dumplings? They're starting to boil real good. Got a few more dumplings to throw in there. I'm not really flattening them out. You can make them thin, you can make them thick. put some chicken bouillon in there. Just a little bit. Butter. Just a little bit. Try something. These look really good. Okay, that should be delicious in there because I love this stuff. It's just got a good flavor. So why not put it in there? Give it that thickening. Look at those. All right, supper's done. Didn't take long at all. Let's go ahead and plate it up. Supper's done. Let's give it a little taste test. Let me get a spoon. That's good. Try it.
I've been got to